Boxelder bugs sneak into homes when temperatures drop in the fall. Check out a few tips to keep these pests away. 1. Seal entry points. Check your home for holes where bugs can enter. Seal cracks and gaps, repair damaged screens, and ensure weather stripping and door sweeps are in good condition. 2. Reduce clutter. Once inside, boxelder bugs will look for a place to hide. Removing clutter will reduce the number of hiding spots. 3. Watch your trees. These pests eat the leaves and seeds of boxelder trees. Remove fallen seeds to avoid attracting these pests. If planting trees, choose a non-seed bearing tree. 4. Vacuum. Vacuuming can help to get rid of these pests. Make sure to empty the bag outside and into a sealed trash bin. 5. Spray them away with a hose. Boxelder bugs gather on the sunny side of homes. Spray them with a hose to knock them down. 6. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our home bug spray and yard bug spray will kill boxelder bugs on contact. You can also spray your yard and common entry points to create a protective barrier. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.